Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, zard-exhaust, beautifully made Zard Lab in Italy. Okay, as you can see, stainless steel, very high quality, beautifully TIG welded. Okay, these are like your works finish. You can obviously get mirror polish, but just check this. Removable baffles. Okay, you can see the perf inside. I don't know if you can see that, but there is perf inside, and beautifully made. Very high tech. Gas flowed on dynos, so this exhaust actually does work. It's not just a bullshit exhaust. It's very well made. Also available for rocket threes, Harleys, BMs, you name it. But Zard Lab, incredibly light, stainless steel, give you a lot more performance than stock. Amazing sound. As you can see, the welding really is beautiful. All this is all TIGged, the whole lot. These are handmade pipes. Not cheap, but you get what you pay for. So if you want good power, you want very high quality, Italian made, none of your Chinese stuff, give us a call, 01773835666, alternatively customcruisers.com, or email us sales@customcruisers.com or customcruisers.eu. Thank you.